Yeah, still Friday the 3rd November. I'm just piddling on these high dollar chargers. When it says FLO and the dial's indicating 100, that means the battery or batteries are completely charged. And you got batteries hooked up parallel. It means positive, positive, negative to negative. You can charge both batteries at one time. Put one clamp on a positive and one clamp on negative on the opposite battery, and it'll charge both. And over here on the front, my grill was bent way in. Popped it apart and simply beat it flat with a sledgehammer. Put it back on. My old hood, it's pretty chewed up. I'm not going to spend the money for a used hood. It's too much money for what it is. And then my hood latch was difficult. Let me get up here to keep latched. It always wanted to pop loose. Just a second, I gotta put the camera down. There you go. That's the latch right there. That's the pin. And it was always really hard to get it to stay latched, and it was always popping up when you hit the brakes. There's a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. The other side bolt was missing, and some metric something or other. I just retapped it 1/4 put a bolt in it, and now the hood latch operates as it should. See, it's latched. And up here in the cab area, had a broken screw over here, and there's a trick. You put in a JB weld and go down the next lower side screw, smaller screw, run it in there. When the JB weld sets up, it will hold fast, and then when you put a screwdriver on the screw, it will unthread from the JB weld. A little trick. So, and what else? That's about it. Still got to clean my bucket. I'll get around to it. The main thing was that hood latch. It was starting to irritate me. So now I'm no longer irritated. This screw here, that's just a bonus. Ain't nothing. There's a nut holder that grips plastic, and the grip is not strong enough to hold on to a tap, and to get to it, to tap it, you gotta take the entire dash apart, and I don't want to do that, so I'll be doing the JB weld trick. Warmed up nicely. Probably close to 70 degrees right now, so still just piddling. A little after 12:30. I think the boys up the hill changed their hours, and you can see what kind of mess they got up there. They never keep that thing clean. It's always just a big old mess. It's their business, but now I'll be out there walking my parking lot, picking up cigarette wrappers to keep my lot clean. And these guys, they don't give a flip. They could care less. So, is what it is. Got no pride in ownership. Oh, my little vegetable patch, we had a more substantial frost. There's a video where my truck windshield's completely frosted over. Come up here, everything just fine. Didn't hurt a thing. It's supposed to be 85 degrees in 3 days. So, anyway, keep on doing what I'm doing, which is basically just piddling. Thank you.